Tom and Eddie were at their grandmother's last summer. Bill and Taras were in the camp in summer. Nick was at home on Sunday. Linda and her sister were in the mountains on winter holidays. Roy and Rick were in the park last weekend. Bill was not at school last Monday. He was at his grandmother's. Tom and Eddie were not at their grandmother's last summer. They were in the camp. Bill and Taras were not in the camp in summer. They were at home. Nick was not at home on Sunday. He was in the mountains. Linda and her sister were not in the mountains on winter holidays. They were in the park. Roy and Rick were not in the park last weekend. They were at school. Was Bill at school last Monday? Yes, he was. Was Bill at school last Monday? No, he wasn't. Were Tom and Eddie at their granny's last summer? Yes, they were. Were Tom and Eddie at their granny's last summer? No, they weren't. Were Bill and Taras at the camp in summer? Yes, they were. Were Bill and Taras at the camp in summer? No, they weren't. Was Nick at home on Sunday? Yes, he was. Was Nick at home on Sunday? No, he wasn't. Were Linda and her sister in the mountains on winter holidays? Yes, they were. Were Linda and her sister in the mountains on winter holidays? No, they weren't. Were Roy and Rick in the park last weekend? Yes, they were. Were Roy and Rick in the park last weekend? No, they weren't.